Hello Snowflake engineers and welcome to the video. If you don't know me, I am Sujit Nair, a cloud data architect. I am also a Snowflake Snowpro certified professional. In today's video, I will be covering certification question related to Snowpro. Let's begin.
How can the query cache be disabled? Select three that apply. I'll give you a couple of seconds to try and answer this question. If you need additional time, please pause the video. And the right answer to this question is at the session level, at the user level, and the account level. Now let's go ahead and check out a demo to see whether this is accurate or not. Now to begin with, I'm going to create a database and I'm going to check what the parameter is for the used cache result. As you can see, the value is true and the default value is true. Now I'm going to alter the session to set it to false. And now I'm going to go back and check the result, and as you can clearly see, the value has been set to false. So if I come back to the certification question, this is definitely the right answer because we were able to alter the session to set the used cache result to false. Now let us check out what the parameter is at the user level. As you can see here, at the user level, the parameter is true and the default is also true. Now I'm logged in as the user snair25. I'm going to alter this user to set the value to false. Now that I have set it to false, I'm going to check the parameter again. And as you can see, the used cache result has been set to false with the help of this alter user command. So now we can conclude that alter user set used cache equal to false is also a right option. Let's move on. Let's go and see if we can do this at the account level. So I'm going to check out the parameters at the account level. I'm going to come here, and as you can see, the value is set to true and the default is also true. And I'm going to now alter the account to see if I can set it to false. I'm going to come back, and at the account level, I'm going to check what the value is now that I have updated it. And as you can see, I have successfully updated it to false. So the option alter account set use cache equal to false is also accurate. So the last option, alter warehouse, such an option actually does not exist, and therefore we will not be able to use it.